9 minutes now till 6 o'clock. We finally have made it to Friday. Radar's looking clear, which typically would be pretty good news for a Friday. But we've got one big weather concern today, and it's all because of this rain and snow that you see well north of us, so over the northeast. It's all thanks to a powerful area of low pressure sitting off the northeast coast, a storm system that we call a nor'easter. If you're headed up to New York and Boston, rain and wind will cause travel problems for you today. Interior parts of the northeast will deal with snow. Again, we're going to be sunny here all day, but on the backside of this low or this nor'easter, we have very strong winds that are already gusting up to almost 40 miles per hour this morning. This last hour in Wilson, we've got a gust to 38 miles per hour. The larger numbers you see here on the wind map indicate sustained winds that are at 17 miles per hour in Raleigh, but just on occasion you get that stronger gust, which the last few minutes has been up to 28 miles per hour in Raleigh, and those gusts are going to keep getting stronger over the next few hours. Through the day today, we could have gusts as high as 55 miles per hour. That's why the National Weather Service has now issued a high wind warning from Wilson to the Triangle, including Raleigh, Durham, Chapel Hill, up through Henderson, Roxborough, and areas to the south have a wind advisory in effect. In the advisory area, gusts are still going to be up to around 45 miles per hour today. So you most definitely don't want to have any loose objects out in the yard like your garbage can. That is going to blow around in the wind today. But there's some other serious concerns. These type of gusts, I really think, are going to down some trees, which may lead to some power outages. You may want to make sure you've got your smartphone plugged in all day so it's charged up, and you may want to take some time to find a battery and some flashlights, because if the power goes out, it may be out for a while. It's going to be really tough for power crews to restore the power in these type of gusts that'll be with us all day. And these type of winds will even make driving difficult. Both hands on the steering wheel with these gusts. Again, our computer model here, Futurecast, shows those strong gusts with us all day long and into the evening. They really won't even die down that much tonight. Tomorrow morning, we'll still have gusts 35, almost 40 miles per hour. By tomorrow afternoon, the gusts are going to be closer to 25, 30 miles per hour as the wind just slowly dies down through the weekend as this nor'easter eventually slowly pulls away from the east coast. It does help to pull in some cooler air as we head into the weekend. Now, right now, we're in the 40s and 50s. Raleigh, it's 48. Fayetteville, we're at 53. Our highs will be in the upper 50s and low 60s with the windy weather today, and then our lows come down into the 30s tonight. We may be back to freezing for the first time in a while in Raleigh and Durham. Fayetteville, our low 34 in the morning. Our highs in the 50s through the weekend. Our morning low back around freezing on Sunday morning, and we'll see highs in the 50s into next week. We'll see our next chance for rain coming up on Tuesday.